Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials: topic, thesis, audience, and length. Say 200 words. Once done, paste 3 5-source summaries and your style guide. This keeps output focused. Then instruct the model with a clear role, e.g., research assistant, and give constraints like word count, tone, and citation style. Make sure to include key terms and any required sections. This seeds the system, so its first drafts align with your goal and save you revision time. You now move into structured drafting. First, ask for detailed outline with headings and word allocations. This creates a roadmap. Next, generate 1 paragraph per heading and insist on evidence and short citations so you can verify claims. Once you have draft sections, iterate. Tell the model which parts need more depth, simpler language, or different examples. If a paragraph is off, ask for 2 alternative rewrites and choose the best. Then stitch sections together for coherence. You finish by polishing and validating. First, command line edits. Improve clarity, tighten transitions, and convert passive to active voice where useful. Then verify facts, confirm quotations, and swap any model-generated citations for exact source details. Once clean, export to your editor, run a plagiarism check, and apply the final formatting rules. If the model hallucinates or cites non-existent sources, pause. Reprompt it to list evidence and cross-check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.